Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, 14th chapter, Algebraic Formula, Expansion of Squares, Part 2. Now, in the previous lecture, we have seen the formula of the expansion. So, first formula we have seen, that is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. So, after expanding a plus b the whole square, we have got the formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then we have seen the next expansion, that is expansion of a minus b the whole square. So, after expanding a minus b the whole square, we will get our formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Today we will see practice set 50, question number 2 to question number 4. Question number 2. Which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon x? Now what we have to do in this question? We have to find out the square of 8 minus 1 upon x. So how you will going to find out? By using the formula. Clear? So what will be your formula? Minus sign is there. So it means you will write down the formula of expansion a minus b the whole square. So your formula will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now in the place of a you will use 8 and in the place of b you will use 1 upon x. Now a square means what you will write down? You will write down 8 square minus 2 will come as it is, multiply a means 8, b means 1 upon x plus b square means 1 upon x square. Clear? Now 8 8s are what you will get? 8 8s are you will get, that is 64 minus. Now here how you will do the calculation? 2 8s are 16, 16 1s are 16 and in the denominator x will come as it is. Clear? Because only the denominator is x. Plus 1 1s are you will get 1, x multiplied by x you will get x square. Means from the given option, which is the square of 8 minus 1 upon x, which is the square? That is C1. Clear? So this C is your correct option. Understood? Number 3. Of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14mn pq plus 49p square q square the expansion? So from the given option we have to find out that which term, which binomial term you will multiply, you will expand to get your answer, that is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square. So let's find out which binomial term you will expand to get this answer. So our term is given, that is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square. Now what you have to do is we have to find out the square of each and every term. So here first we will write down the square of first term. Clear? First term. Which one is your first term? That is m square n square. We have to find out the square of m square and n square. That is m square and n square is the square of mn. Clear? Now we will find out, that is third term. Third term is our 49p square q square. So 49p square q square is the square of which term? That is 7pq. Clear? Now further we have to write down our middle term. Clear? Our middle term is 2ab. Understood? So 2 will come as it is, our a. This mn you will take a. 7pq you will take b. Clear? So in the place of a you will use mn and in the place of b you will use 7pq. So multiply, 2 7s are 14 mn pq. Clear? So here what we have to do is which term you will expand to get your answer this. So which term you will expand? Here our answer is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square. Clear? This we have to write down in what? We have to find out which binomial terms you will expand. So here A we have taken, that is mn, and B we have taken, that is 7pq. So this term, if you will expand, you will get your answer, that is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square. So which option is the correct option? D option is the correct option. Clear? Use an expansion formula to find the values. Now student, see how you can find out the values by using the expansion formula. Clear? So now here we have to expand 97 square with the help of your expansion formula. So see how you will going to expand. Now for using the expansion formula, we need our A and B. So see how you will take out your A and B from this 97. Now what you will do is, you will make this 97 as your round figure. Clear? Means you will make this 97 as your 100. So how much you will add in this 97 to make your round figure? So how much you will add? You will add, that is 3. So 100, and again if you want to make this 97, how much you will subtract? You will subtract, that is 3. Clear everyone over here? Now here our A is 100 and our B is 3. Means in the formula, wherever it is A, there you have to use 100, and wherever it is B, you have to use 3. Clear how I had removed this A and B from this 97? What you have to do is, you have to make this 97 as your round figure. So when you are making your number as your round figure, that time you have to use this subtraction sign. The formula. Now here your formula will be A square minus 2AB plus B square. Clear? Now A square, in the place of A you will take 100. So 100 square. 2 will come as it is. Again 100 means you again 100 you will take. Then B means 3 you will take, and B square means 3 square. So here first find out the square and multiply this middle term. So 100 into 100, what you will get? You will get, that is 10,000. 2 into 100, 200. 200 multiply by 3, you will get 600 plus 3 3s are 9. So what you will do? You will subtract first 10,000 minus 600. Clear? And then you have to add. So here you will get 9,409. Clear? So the expansion, after expanding 97 square, what you will get your value? You will get, that is 9,409. Clear? Understood how you will going to find out the value by using the expansion formula. See the next one, that is we have to find out the value of 102 square. Now again, for finding the value, what we need? We need our A and B. Clear? We have to find out the value by using the expansion formula. Now students, what you will do over here is, what we have done in question number 1, we had made the number as your round figure. Now from 102, what you have to do is, you have to take out your round figure. So how much you will remove from 102 to make your round figure? That is 100. Clear? And plus 2. Clear? So whenever you are making the given number as your round figure, you have to use the subtraction sign. And whenever you are removing your round figure, you have to use your addition sign. Clear? So here our A is 100, B is 2. So use the expansion formula, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now, so what you will do? In the place of A, what you will take? You will take 100 square. 2 will come as it is. Again A is given, means 100 you will take. Multiply by B. B means what you will take? 2. And B square means 2 square. So 100 into 100 you will get 10,000 plus 2 multiply by 100 is 200. 200 multiply by 2 is 400 plus 2 2s are, you will get 4. Now you have to add all this number. So what you will get? You will get 10,404. Understood? So what is the value of 102 square? That is 10,404. Clear? Understood student? How you will use the expansion formula to find out the value. Clear? First what you have to do? You have to either make your given number as your round figure, or you have to take out the round figure from your given number. Understood? Now see, in third question you will make this number as your round figure. Clear? In question number, next question in D1 you will take out your round figure. Clear? Thank you.